All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the DoorDash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video, leave comments down below. The title for this episode is The Paradigm of Doordash 2023. I got a lot of dashers, they creeping in, all of them from DeSoto County. I think they done caught on to what's going on as far as getting orders and making their money in OB. Nevertheless, we want to get right to it, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we had one content creator by the name known as the Gig Geezer in Wood Lane. Tried his best to step on my content and squash it, but he didn't succeed. This ain't about him today, just to let him know, give him notice and everybody else that he didn't succeed, and why receipts should be relevant. The receipts that I'm going to show you are going to be official DoorDash receipts that come from the DoorDash application. Not Gridwise, not Solo, not any other apps that people done created. The only receipts that really matter is the receipts that come from the DoorDash platform. Should be the only receipts that is official, ladies and gentlemen, because that's what we get paid, and that's how we get paid on. Now, to try to address how we made that money, we're going to do this here. We're going to go right there. Going to hit the hamburger icon. We're going to go to earnings. All right, we're going to hit the tab, and we're going to go to last night earnings, and I'm gonna look at that's 25 minutes there. There's 20 minutes there, which makes it 45. Minutes right there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. We're gonna show Thursday's figures, which you see right there. All right, we're going to start at the $45 one, and you can see the time was at, well, $40.75. The time started at 5:59 p.m., 6:26 p.m. start and end time. You see the active time 25 minutes, dash time 26 minutes, which means I didn't have any lost time. Okay, you see that what restaurant it was from. You can see the base pay, peak pay, the customer tip of $35 in the app. Now what I want to show you was when I got the initial offer. The initial offer was this here, ladies and gentlemen. That's what the initial offer was. $10.75, 4.7 miles. Okay, that's where we were right there. And you can do the math there. You can see that it was somewhere in between $2 a mile or more. All right. When we completed that delivery, ladies and gentlemen, you can take a look at it right here. 4.7 miles, $35 customer tip, $40.75. Total payout, the initial offer was $10.75. And read what it says about high pay orders. That is true right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's not fiction, and that's not fairy tale. And also showed my ratings. Now, after I dropped that order off, ladies and gentlemen, and I keep my cash tips up here. All right. The man tipped me, which was a cash alert, of $20 for that order. You know, I almost passed out. So that's a total of $60.75, right? For one order in 25 minutes. We're gonna put that portion back up there. Now, what I want to also show you is the next order that came after it, because I got another hit going to the same restaurant. We talked about the other order end time was 6:26 p.m. All right, the next order that I received was 6:36 p.m. 10 minutes later, I got that order. $32.40, the time near the start and end time, and it was a 6 minutes difference between active time and dash time. All right, you see how much it was at that restaurant, the base pay and all that, and you see what the payout was right there, which was $26.25 tip, which made that total payout $32.40. Only reason why I wasn't able to get the snapshot, because it happened so fast once I went ahead and, tried to do everything. All right, so you're looking at $60, because it didn't take number $20, 20 minutes to do this order here. Active time, right? So you're looking at 45 minutes. You're looking at $60 plus $32.40. Put it at what? $92.40. Less than an hour. They blessed me with a tip alert. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which made a total of $102.40. Now I'm finna put the rest of my cash tips off of them 2 cash tip alerts, off of them 2 orders, ladies and gentlemen, which was done in a total of 45 minutes. Now we were to use the active time, that's 26 minutes on one. Dash time, 26 minutes of the other one, made it 52 minutes. 8 minutes less than an hour, so we're going to round it off to an hour. I made $102.40 in 1 hour. Now, we don't get them numbers every day. We happen to get in the right algorithm. Okay, when we got in the right algorithm, I was like, okay, I know that I'm getting ready to get paid good. I'm going to ride this wave. This is a good algorithm. See, you got to know your market and know how to get away from everyone else. That's like sardines in a can when they be at one restaurant or one district of restaurants in a given zone. Now, what we're getting ready to do is we're going to do our calculations for that shift. Well, we really want to know what that $40.75. I was asked months ago, how do you make your money? Do you make it by the order? Do you make it by the hour? Do you make it by the mile? All of the above, ladies and gentlemen. See, I did 2 orders within an hour, plus the tips. $102.40 in 1 hour. Okay, diamond orders. My ratings were higher last night than what they are now. My ratings now is back down to 78%, but I was at 81 AR rating. And it said that customer rating and AR ratings will get you these higher paying orders, these higher priority orders. So DoorDash didn't lie about it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what we're going to get ready to do is we're going to do a little math on that order right there. Okay, it was $10.75 divided by 4.7, right? This was the initial offer. $2.29 a mile. All right, so we're going to do math on it again real quick, which was $40.75, right? Plus the $20 that I received, which was $60, right? Divided by 4.7 miles, ladies and gentlemen. And I made, after completing that order, $12.92 a mile. All right. That's not including the math on the others, so you can do the math on the others, ladies and gentlemen. I went to that restaurant 4 to 5 times. I was in a nice sweet spot. I was maybe 1 or 2 drivers only going to that spot. That's all DoorDash was allowing to go there. There's some secret sauce to that I'm not going to share with you on YouTube. People say I give out too much information. The information I have given out to you, ladies and gentlemen, is only half the information that I really know. You know, when I say I'm not going to give it to you, I'm not going to give it to you. That's one of those secrets I'm not going to give to you. You know, so I'm going to hurry up and do a calculation of what I made on that shift that night for that whole day. I'm going to start with Thursday. Okay. $33.69 plus $9 plus $25 plus, bag back for a second, yeah, plus, all right, $40.75 plus $32.40 plus $15.75 plus $30 cash tip. $186.59 divided by 5 hours. $186.59. Total that I made per hour was $37.32. The Paradigm of Doordash 2023. The new breed of diamond drivers, the new breed of top dashers, and the changes and updates that DoorDash constantly making, and how imperative the diamond zones are in maximizing your earnings and making a profit. $1 per order, $1 per mile, $1 per hour. And good customer service, best business practice, get you them higher paying tips from higher paying customers that DoorDash pair you with on the tier of the diamond program. I'd improved it time after time after time after time again. Okay, if you remember, Reese was saying many episodes ago that DoorDash Revolution is cherry picking his way to top dasher program, and he's going to be a cherry picking top dasher, and it's going to blow your minds. This is what he was talking about, the information that I was going to show you. You see, so you can read and comprehend what the algorithm is giving you at that given moment. And I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm only telling you half of what I really know. Okay, and I hope that this will motivate drivers to get out here and make that money. If I can do it, you can do it too. Is this something that happens every day? Make $100 in 1 hour? No, you can't do it every day. You know, you have to catch it at the moment that it's happening, and catch it while the algorithm at that moment, at that given time, and you work within your algorithm. Stop turning all the orders down, because a certain order you might be turning down, you might be missing out on a payday like the one I just showed you. Peace, take care, and we see you in the next video.